Hey guys, welcome back to XTOOLonline channel. Today, we testing the AD20PRO, a smart obtuse scanner that turns your car into a data machine. Let's start with one of the coolest features, the personalized dashboard. Just plug in the AD20PRO, open the app, and place your phone in front of the windshield. It shows key driving info, like speed and RPM, right on your screen. So your driving data is always easy to check. Now, this is where it gets fun. And watch your phone turn into a custom gauge cluster. Want a racing-style tachometer? Or maybe fuel economy meters? Switch it up in a tap and watch it react live as you drive. Time to push it. Want to test what your car can really do? Head to the performance test. You can track acceleration, top speed, engine load, and coolant temperature, all in real time. Just pick a safe spot, hit the gas, and watch the data spike. From full throttle acceleration to sudden brake, every moment in data is captured and visualized in real time. After the drive, check out Trip Management. It logs your mileage, drive time, fuel, consumption, average speed, great for road trips, or just keeping tabs on how your car is doing over time. All your trip data right in your phone. Of course, the AD20PRO is also a full-on diagnostic tool. With its in-depth check, you can scan multiple vehicle systems quickly and see results in real time. We read live engine data like coolant temp, throttle position, and intake pressure. The throttle position looks fine. Notice the idle is a bit rough. Let's check the engine coolant temperature to see if it's overheating. Prepping for an inspection. Use smog, check 2. Make sure you good to go. You can also test components, check sensor status. And even run a quick battery test. Hey, car lovers! With the AD20PRO, you can really take control. See your driving data in a fun and smart way, and stay safer on the road. And don't miss the DIY corner. It's time to make your ride truly yours.